Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. It is 29 degrees out on a Thursday morning. It's about 7:30 a.m. Let's go ahead and make some coffee. Today I'm just going to do sort of a commercial for my Hobo Stove Builds playlist. Let me just show you how great these stoves work. We'll start off with some processed tulip poplar. We'll ferro rod ignite them, and then these pieces of oak, we'll use that for the fuel. Boil up the water and then steep the coffee for 10 minutes. But I never use as a feed hole, I just turn it towards the wind, so I use it as a vent hole. It's got this elevated floor made out of perforated metal, and it's up off the bottom about 1.5 inches. And here are my pot supports. And when I get some good coals started, to get a good fire started, then I'll put this on. Like that. So let's go ahead and get started. I got some outer bark right here from the tulip poplar. Let's go ahead and get some inner bark now. I have hundreds of examples of these stoves burning beautifully throughout the years. They're sort of fast starting, hot burning, and they might burn a little hotter than what you'd actually need. Good about getting water boiled quickly. An incredible updraft, the way this stove is designed. So that's why it's so fast starting, because of the updraft. It doesn't get much better than tulip poplar inner bark for tinder. Usually a one-strike ignite tinder. Keychain ferro rod, it's a bayite, 5/16 in diameter by 3 1/8 inches long. Stanley 10-049. Watch that stove burn now. Got frost on the table. I couldn't find my smaller pot, but this one will do. We'll put that big chunk on there. It's all going to end up as coals down in the bottom of the stove anyways. heat our water up to boiling, and then we'll go ahead and steep the coffee for about 10 minutes. All right, let's take a look all the way around this stove now. She's boiling. That is some great coffee. Please don't tell me the recipe for cowboy coffee. How you're not supposed to stir the grounds and you're supposed to pour cold water on top of it. I stir this to get those grounds waterlogged, and they will end up on the bottom of the pot. And then I'll slow pour this into my cup and not get any grounds in my coffee. Got about another 3 minutes. Let me stoke the fire because I want flames coming out of this Hobo stove when we say our goodbyes. I always drink black coffee, so this is a treat. A little bit of cream oil, like what I grew up drinking. Sweet and blonde. There's nothing like the taste of coffee brewed outside and consumed outside. This is good. We'll catch you on the next one.